Hi, welcome to a spell lab test. Today I'm going to show you a dog harness. It's a no-choke harness. It has multiple colors including camouflage and leopard. The size is from XS to XL, so it's good for small, medium and large dogs. Let's see the features. 1. The outside material is nylon, while the inside is breathable mesh lined, so it's soft and comfortable. 2. There are 2 buckles, one on the neck and the other on the body. And both buckles are with lockable buttons, so when you lock it up, you cannot open. You have to unlock it to open it. It can prevent dogs from breaking away. 3. There are slide buckles to adjust size. There are 2 slide webbings on both neck and body. And 4. There are nylon handle, so you can pick up dogs easily. 5. There are reflective threads full of reflective threads, so it's safe for dogs at night. And 6. The metal D-ring is made of sturdy alloy,